And gentlemen, welcome back to Souder Motors. Jay Lapp with you. And today, I have an absolutely beautiful fifth wheel to show you. This is a 2018 Keystone Montana. The model number is 3731FL. FL stands for front living. This thing's got 6 slides. It's 40 feet long, weighs 16,600 pounds, approximately fully loaded. So it is a big boy. We got 2 ACs. We've got a 6-point leveling system. Auto leveling system. We are going to show you the outside after we open it up. Then we're going to show you the inside. So let's get to it. We've got her opened up here. Like I said, 3731FL. We do have the 4-season package, so great insulation, all-weather camping. This guy has a great awning, good outside space, power awning, LED light strip underneath. Also, we've got some outdoor entertainment right here. 2 entrances to this. Obviously, this gets you to the kitchen and the front living. That gets you to the hallway, going right back to the bedroom. We'll get to that eventually. We've got nice solid steps on both entrances. Front living slide out. Pass-through storage up front here. We do have our propane tanks here and on the other side. Huge front storage with a disconnect switch. Got our fifth wheel. Other side of the front living. Auto leveling system, 6 points. The other nice thing, so the front or the middle 3 slides are all on, or actually the middle 2 and the back bedroom are on a tension slide. So you can actually turn off certain slide outs, which means you can access anything if you're pulled along the side of a building or along the side of the road and you need to put one out, you can turn the others off. Very nice feature. Other side of the pass-through, this is our hookups. Got your battery disconnect right here. Got your satellite cable hookups, water connections, all that jazz is right there. Aluminum wheels. Again, 16,600 fully loaded, so it is not a light trailer. 40 feet long. It does have nice laminated sides. This thing is in excellent condition. Inside, outside, you'll see it, but we don't have any D-lam or anything like that going on. Back of the 6-point leveling system. This is our bedroom slide out. Easy access here. You've got your spare chairs in there right now, but you can access it from underneath the bed or you can access it from the outside. Not a bad option to have. We do obviously have 50 amp service to this. We've got 2 ACs. You do have roof access. Flush mounted windows, all that jazz. Our wardrobe slide in the back, which you will see, and the rear entrance, which you will also see after we go into the front entrance, which is up here. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the interior. We're up here in this beautiful, luxurious, cozy front living space. We've got leather sofas, opposing slides. These both fold out, allowing you to sleep 4 up here if you like. We also have a nice lounging area here. We've got our power recliners for the stadium seating. This actually comes out, and so you can not have a cup holder if you want. TV goes up and down, obviously. This shade is also controlled by a switch that is right behind Ethan over here, which I'm not going to show you, but it does exist, I promise. We've got a Nice hidden audio system here. We've got the DVD player, CD player, radio, all of that jazz right here. Speakers, nice fireplace, storage all around the unit here. Like I said, 2 sofas, both of them fold out, opposing slides, opens it up really nicely up here. We've got nice ambient light here. And from here we go down. We do have a power vent right there, controlled right here, max air fan. This is our switch that takes the front shade up and down. And here in our kitchen, one of the beauties of having a front living layout is you have this wide open, high ceiling kitchen, tons of storage. We've got our dinette here on this slide out table. Chairs, you saw the extra chairs underneath the bed. But come on down to the kitchen. Nice thing I like that they did with this layout. Got this extended countertop here. Got a full island which doesn't have the sink in it. So it's all prep space. Your sink is over here. It's a double stainless steel sink. We've got the fancy schmancy nozzle. We've got double stainless steel. And then obviously you can keep it covered. Have some countertop space. Got shelving. Got storage, spice rack, charging ports, light switches, outlets, and then over here, oh, forgot to turn you on. We've got a nice 3-burner range stove. Got the oven. Actually a nice big oven. This is a little bit of an upgrade here, so lots of cooking can be done in this guy. You've got storage, trash, storage all up and down here, storage all back here. We'll get to that in a little bit. Storage above here, these nice drawers, metal runners. Got the no stick on inside of all of the, or the no slip inside all of the drawers. Microwave, convection, wine rack, important. This is also on a slide. Residential fridge, may or may not be nicer than the one I have at home. Twin cooling. So that's our refrigerator. This is our freezer. Got a nice drawer there. Solid. Storage. Good storage. Again, deep cabinet. And we've got the no slips in there. This is a nice little additional feature. Washer dryer combo unit. Ironing board right above it. Laundry. Done. Have a ceiling fan in here plus another max air vent. So we keep air moving, really nice, practical. Nothing to complain about there. Come on back. I am gonna shut this door so we can lose some of the road noise. Now, fancy schmancy little door we got here. Look at that, you can still walk through. Ethan, go ahead and take a look inside. We got a nice huge shower, high ceiling space, skylight, toilet, sink, well, linen storage, vent, power vent. Everybody say hi, Ethan. Hi, Ethan. Medicine cabinet, sink, storage underneath, even, max air vent right here, GFI outlet. And the nice thing, sometimes with front living, you gotta walk through the bathroom to get to the bedroom. In this case, we've got a nice hallway. Our control panel is located right here. Got all our lights, all of our slide outs, our awning, water heater, all of that, tank reader, tank heaters. Nice. We've got our surge protector up there, because we do have the residential fridge. You've got an inverter. We are wired for solar. Master bedroom, opposing slides, nice pocket door, gives you privacy, but it doesn't take up a lot of space. Big old bed, heated big old bed. A little bit of storage is up above, but you do have a little side table, which is nice to have. Special little reading lights above. Wired in surround sound above. This is the nice feature to have. A giant wardrobe with actual drawers that are functional. Most drawers function, but these are functional. Nice deep drawers, because we're on the slide out, and get you a little bit of extra storage space. And then underneath the bed, as I mentioned, We've got a little bit more storage, and right now it's holding the extra chairs. You do have the second air conditioner back here, controlled by this thermostat. Nice big window in the back, bringing in a lot of natural light. That's about it, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a 2018 Keystone Montana 3731 FL front living. If you folks have any questions about it, please give us a call at Sauter Motors. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day.